Good morning, Orange Pod. Oh, that's really nice of you. I love that. Okay, Orange Pod, what was the title of our lesson today? Multiply. We're going to try to do that together, but multiplying integers. And I'm curious, can all of you now say, I can multiply integers?
I can multiply integers.
Like, so can you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so we had 5 vocab words. An integer, this one right here. It's a whole number, or it is the what of a whole number?
Opposite.
Yeah, that's all I ask. All I ask is that you do what I'm asking you to do. Answer the questions. I need eyes up here, though. Eyes up here. We're not organizing binders. Everything is down. Product. A product is an answer to what kind of problem?
Multiplication.
Say again?
Multiplication.
Multiplication is simply what?
Repeated addition.
All right, so I have the problem 3 times 2 equals 6, right?
Yes.
What are these numbers called?
Factors.
The numbers that are multiplying, right?
Yes.
And what is the answer to a multiplication problem again?
Product.
What number is always a place value holder?
0.
All right, here we go. 26 times 7. What do we call the bottom number of a multiplication problem like this?
Multiplier.
So the multiplier just multiplies the 7 by the 6 and the 7 by the 2, right? Sometimes we need to carry a number. What do we call that number?
Carry number.
Can carrying numbers also be part of the addition?
Yes.
How many multipliers do you see in this problem?
2.
All right, let's do this real quick. You ready? All right, so I have 8 times 9, right? Put down the 2, carry the... Okay, then I multiply 8 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
8 times 2 is 16. Plus 7, my carrying number, makes it what? So I have 232 in my first row, right? After I'm done with the multiplier, what do I do? After I'm done with the carrying number, what do I do? After I'm done with a multiplier and cross it off, what goes down here? What's that called again?
Place value holder.
Then I simply take my next multiplier, the 1, right? 1 times 9 is 9, yes. 1 times 2 is 2, yes.
Yes.
Add them together, and what do we always do?
Box our answers.
If we have a problem, you guys are doing great. If I have a problem written going across the paper, so horizontally, we call this a what?
Rewrite.
A rewrite means we need to rewrite it so that we can show our work and solve it, yes?
Yes.
What's this called again down here?